In the last video we discussed how using HubSpot you can manage leads, but to manage leads you must have a channel through which you can generate leads. To generate leads, either you can opt for paid marketing channel like LinkedIn ads, Google ads, and others, but these are pretty expensive. Let's talk about economical lead generation channels. LinkedIn automation, a perfect way to brand awareness and lead generation. For LinkedIn automation, I typically use Phantom Buster to scrap the target audience and many other applications. To enable the multi-sequence messages to my selected target audience on LinkedIn, I prefer Dripify. Again, please don't directly sign up for these tools. Use the affiliate links in the description to get discounts and help me grow as well. Important notice: don't use these tools without perfect guidance on how to implement them as per industry safe practices. LinkedIn does not support any sort of automation, hence we have to be cautious when we would be implementing these tools. I have assisted over 1,000 plus clients in implementing these tools. Here's my Fiverr rating. You can use the LinkedIn Pro Automation course where I have provided videos on how to safely implement the automation tools. Again, for limited time, access the course with discounted pricing. The CRM is implemented, and leads inflow is started in autopilot via LinkedIn automation and marketing campaigns. Let's now understand how to leverage the Sales Navigator to manually generate leads as well. Hashtag targeted outreach. Outbound outreach. Outbound: reach out to your targeted set of audience via account-based outreach / lead-based reach out. Both play a very significant role in creating a pipeline. Before using a Sales Navigator or defining a search, make sure you are clear about who is your targeted audience. If you are not sure on how to use Sales Navigator, then in the next video I will demonstrate how to use Sales Navigator.